We are going to talk about digestion and nutrition in the 12th lecture in biology, general biology 1, carbohydrate digestion. Starch is digested glucose, which is actively transported into epithelial cells of intestinal villi. From there, glucose moves into blood streams. As you see, carbohydrates digestion through pancreatic amylase and maltase, the glucose goes to the blood capillary. Protein digestion. Proteins are digested to amino acids, which are actively transported into the epithelial cells of intestinal villi. From there, amino acids move into blood streams. Protein digestion done by trypsin, peptidase into amino acids, and the pH is basic. يعني الوسط بتاع الاس الهيدروجيني قاعدي لهدول الانزيمات. Digestion. Fats are emulsified by bile and digested to monoglycerides and fatty acids. These diffuse into epithelial cells where they recombine and join with the proteins to form lipoproteins called chylomicrons. Chylomicrons enter lacteals. As you see, fat digestion through bile salts, أملاح الصفراء, fat globules, emulsification droplets by lipase, enzyme lipase, finally digest into monoglycerides and free fatty acids. With protein, they form chylomicron, which goes to the bloodstream or lacteal. Nutrition. Food guide pyramid, الهرم الغذائي. The food should contain grains, حبوب, vegetables, fruits, milk, and meat and beans. And all these amounts should be taken daily. For example, grains, you should eat 6 ounces every day. يعني 6 أواق كل يوم. Vegetables, 2.5 cups every day. Fruits, eat 2 cups every day. Milk, 3 cups every day. For kids aged to 8, it's 2. Meat and beans, eat 5.5 ounces every day. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in food in the form of sugars, starch, and fiber. Fruits, vegetables, milk, and honey are natural sources of sugars. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are monosaccharides. Maltose, lactose, which is milk sugar, and saccharose are disaccharides. After being absorbed from the digestive tract into bloodstream, all sugars are converted to glucose for transport in the blood and used by cells. Glucose is preferred direct energy source in cells. Plants store glucose as starch and animals store glucose as glycogen, except for honey and milk, which contain sugars. Animal food do not contain carbohydrates. Fiber includes various undigestible carbohydrates derived from plants. Lipids, like carbohydrates, triglycerides, fats, and oils supply energy for cells, but fat is stored for long term in the body. Fat, oils, and cholesterol, saturated fats, solids at room temperature usually come from animals. Exceptions are palm oil and coconut oil contains mostly saturated fat. Butter and meats such as marbled red meat and bacon contain saturated fats. Cholesterol, a lipid, can be synthesized by body. Cells use cholesterol to make various compounds including bile, steroid hormones, and vitamin D. Plant foods do not contain cholesterol. Only animal foods such as cheese, egg yolks, liver, and certain shellfish, shrimp, and lobster are rich in cholesterol. Rich cholesterol and saturated fat increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Protein. Dietary proteins are digested to amino acids, which cells use to synthesize hundreds of cellular proteins. Of the 22 different amino acids, 9 are essential amino acids that must be present in the diet. Children will not grow if their diets lack the essential amino acids. Eggs, milk products, meat, poultry, and most other foods derived from animals contain all 9 essential amino acids and are considered complete or high quality protein sources. Vegetables supply one or more essential amino acids but are deficient in at least one and are considered incomplete. When amino acids are broken down, the liver removes nitrogen portions deamination and uses it to form urea, which is secreted in the urine. Vitamins are organic compounds that regulate various metabolic activities and must be present in the diet. Many vitamins are part of coenzymes. For example, niacin, vitamin B3, is the name of a portions of coenzymes NAD plus and riboflavin, vitamin B2, is a part of FAD. Coenzymes are needed in small amounts because they are used over and over again in cells. Not all vitamins are coenzymes. Vitamin A, for example, is a precursor of the pigment that prevents night blindness, العمى الليل. It has been known for some time that the absence of vitamins can be associated with particular disorder. Vitamins are especially abundant in fruits and vegetables, although many foods are now enriched or fortified with vitamins. Some individuals are still at risk for vitamin deficiencies, generally as a result of poor food choices. Fat-soluble vitamins D, E, A, K الفيتامينات اللي بتدوب في الدهون like vitamin A, the importance for vision, health of skin, hair, bone, and sex organs. Source: deep green or yellow vegetables, dairy products, منتجات الألبان واللي هي الخضروات الخضراء والصفراء. فيتامين D health for bones and teeth, مهم لصحة العظام والأسنان. Dairy products and tuna, eggs, and so. Vitamin E is strengthening of red blood cell membrane. Green found in green leafy vegetables, whole grains. Vitamin K, clotting of blood, bone metabolism, green leafy vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower. While water soluble vitamin B C الفيتامينات اللي بتدوب في الماء like vitamin B1 importance for carbohydrate metabolism and found in whole grains. Riboflavin B2 energy metabolism, whole grains, milk, green vegetables. Niacin B3 importance for energy metabolism. Organ meats found in organ meats, whole grains. Pyridoxine B6 importance amino acid metabolism found in meats, fish, whole grains. Vitamin B12 red blood cell formation, meats and dairy foods. Biotin carbohydrates metabolism found in eggs, most foods. Folic acid formation of red blood cells, DNA and RNA, green leaf vegetables, nuts, whole grains. Pantothenic acid importance for energy metabolism and found in most food. Vitamin C, collagen formation, citrus fruits, found in citrus fruits, في الحمضيات and tomatoes. Minerals. The body also needs about 20 elements called minerals, العناصر أو المعادن, for various physiological functions, including regulation of biochemical reactions, maintenance of fluid balance, and incorporation into certain structure and compounds. Occasionally, individuals, especially women, do not receive enough iron, calcium, magnesium, or zinc in their diets. Adult females need more iron and diet than males. 18 milligram compared to 10 milligram if they menstruating each month. Many people take calcium supplements as directed by physician to counteract osteoporosis, a degenerative bone disease that especially affects older men and women. Many people consume too much sodium, even double the amount needed. Excess sodium can cause water retention and contribute to hypertension. Doubt. Major minerals: calcium. Importance: strong bones, teeth, nerve conduction, muscle contraction. له أهمية في تقوية العظام والأسنان وتوصيل السيلات العصبية وانقباض العضلات. found in dairy products منتجات الألبان. green leafy vegetables اللي هي الخضروات الخضراء. phosphorus P. Importance: strong bones and teeth. Found in meat, dairy products, whole grains. Potassium. Importance for nerve conduction, muscle contraction. Many fruits and vegetables. Sodium and A+. Nerve conduction, pH balance, table salts. Found in table salts. Chlorine, water balance, and found in table salts. Magnesium. Importance in protein synthesis and found in whole green leafy vegetables. Trace minerals. هذه العناصر المعدنية تحتاج بنسبة قليلة جدا. zinc. Importance for wound healing, tissue growth في علاج الجروح ونمو الأنسجة. Found in whole grains, legumes, meats. Iron, very important to the hemoglobin synthesis. Found in whole grains, legumes, eggs, green leafy vegetables. Fluorine, importance for strong bones and teeth. Fluoridated drinking water, tea. Copper, importance to hemoglobin synthesis, found in seafood, whole grains, legumes. Iodine, thyroid synthesis, hormones found in iodized table salt and seafood. Thank you for the end of the lecture 12.